beginning was good,
Keep in mind this flow is used for practice. Even so, still top choice on the track list. As far as I know, we've been blacklisted for as long as the earth rotates on a 23-degree axis.
I can stop anytime I want to. Famous last words that came back to haunt you. All your life like permanent dry tears. Some cats get it like no bright ideas. He caught the reckoning vow. Said he couldn't do it without the crowd for crying out loud. Even took the time to contaminate the rhyme scene and drop a line before he was out in the time machine. A lot of rappers are drama queens. Buddy duddy, when it comes to the mic, I'm a fiend as buddy buddy. Fuck around and get your title took cut and dry. He doesn't lie, leave him like who and where, what and why. Hold it like a cute button fly, boom boom. Once you leave the room, they be like doom doom doom. It's no use. Bless the design and the villain has left the building. Dressed to the nines like I'ma do mines, y'all do y'alls. He stay reppin' the game like Lou Rawls. The super MF villain, feelin' like 2 balls. For the microphone, he jones like 2 falls. We will see after these scrimmages who falls. A lot of y'all image reminiscent of RuPaul. Brawl to brawl and we'll be needing new drawers. Jaws, the 1-2s that run through walls.
Keep in mind this flow is used for practice. Even so, still top choice off the track list. As far as I know, we've been blacklisted for as long as the earth rotates on a 23-degree axis.
All in together now. Some of the misadventures of a bothered crop. My piranha chops flashing. See, I'ma stop that gut reaction bound to shackles when a battle runs in circles like rodeo clowns with battles. Poked in the belly by petty sarcasm. Gentlemen, start your laugh track. Push pins for the lab rap reading. All I wanna be is a fat cat sleeping 40 nights. In hopes that when I rise, the hacker master will have seen this water life. Let's recreate a perfect service rooted in labor, lust, and a discipline kryptonite. Your work ethic antithesis. Parallel park, you're burning crowd adjacent to the flagrant iron ego man. Let us study a weaker outlet. I found peace. Tap you on the shoulder, asking where's the closest war and how to make it sleep. I pointed toward the exact place my sneakers met the street and said if I could answer questions too, I wouldn't need relief. Now glass bottom got him shook by exposing the skeleton. Yeah, I sorta stick to a more murky herd development. Some of these kids is spitting just a bit too delicate a thesis. If only, yeah, but holy jumping Jesus. I get torn swiftly through the planet while I kill 23. Look, money, we gotta talk. God made me a fine instrument of style, zigzag, spit. Don't make me hurl these big bolts blindly into your mood. Now, here pumps 40 acres of congruity pistons, equipped with skeleton key immunity system. It'll be something incredible. See, I know the limit. That's why I do my best to stay quiet whenever I ain't spitting the gimmick.
Keep in mind this flow is used for practice. Even so, still top choice off the track list. As far as I know, we've been blacklisted for as long as the earth rotates on a 23-degree axis.